Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to edit a short video with Shotcut. This is going to be an easy tutorial, not a lot being done. So what you want to do first is pick your project folder, which mine is going to be just Minecraft. So select folder and then set project name Minecraft 2 because I already have Minecraft episode 1 and Minecraft because I tried doing this video like right before this, and turned out I didn't have my mic on. So then you can choose the video mode. I just leave it at automatic because I don't really know how to do that video mode. So start. And then all you do is you get the files, which I should have had this already done. I did last time. But here's the files. All you do is just click playlist right here, and then let me get that back, and then just drag it over here and it will go right there. And then so these are mixed and matched. So what you want to do is you just have to find the first video, which that will be this one. You drag it down, it will place. I usually zoom it out so you can see the whole line. And then the next one is this one, and then the next one is that one, and that's all you have to do to, like, if you're doing something on Minecraft or any game that requires a lot of time, you can just stop recording on your recording software and just like, I don't know what it's called, but you can just put together the different videos when you get done, and it will, like, say, like, come on. Like, this is a split, so cut to this, and until I find a sheep. Find some sheep. Might do that. Let me do that real quick. I will be back when I get some sheep. And then see that it just skips to when I find sheeps, or you can do it in any video. I know there's probably a lot of videos on this, but I just wanted to make a video on this to just share my 2 cents, because I just learned how to do this a couple weeks ago. Just learned about Shotcut a couple weeks ago. So then all you have to do to save it is just go to export. You can do like one of these presets, but I don't mess with that. I just go to export files, go to Minecraft, and just click save, and it will be at the side right here. And then you just wait for it to get to 100%, and then that's all you have to do. So if y'all enjoyed this video and want to see more tutorials on the channel, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I will see y'all guys in the next video. Bye.